Well, my name is Ayo Peter Fayose. Well, I'm here to again wish the president the best, to identify with this government. We have gone beyond the elections, we have gone beyond political issues. This is Nigeria, and we all have a duty to make the country work. So I'm here at the invitation of Mr. President, like every other Nigerian that has identified with this government, and to say that everything possible, all hands must be on deck to be part of history of turning Nigeria around. And we're proud that Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu is doing well. These last 4 weeks has been great events, great steps for this country to reposition this badly damaged economy. And I believe all will go well soon.